Hey, what's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and this is day 4 of the 10-day YouTube challenge. And today, I'm going to be talking about my advice to a new network marketer. All right, so when it comes to network marketing, I have a lot of advice, but in this video, I'm just going to stick to one thing, and I think this is probably the most important when it comes to network marketing, and that is to take it serious, right? I know a lot of people are like, well, that's common sense. No, not really, because when it comes to network marketing, in most cases, it's not super hard to get into, right? If there's any sort of investment, it's not a lot of money in most cases, right? So it's easy for people to jump in, because a lot of times when it comes to network marketing, they see, most people, they look at the earning potential, right? No one gets into network marketing to make an extra $50 a month. I don't believe, right? Most people get into network marketing because they want the $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month income. That's what most people want. So when people want that, they usually, they're willing to spend a couple $100s to get in, right? But once they do that, and then they realize like the effort that has to be put in, the work that has to be put in, the consistency that has to be put in, it's easy for people to just stop. It's easy for people to quit. And mainly they quit because, they didn't take it serious, right? You got to look at network marketing as a business opportunity, right? If you look at it like a business opportunity, you'll be more successful with it. Think about if you were starting an offline business, a brick and mortar business, right? You're not just going to give it 3 months, right? You're not just going to give it 6 months and then be like, oh, well, I'm done. No, because with offline businesses, you have to put more capital up, right? More energy, more time than you would say a network marketing or affiliate marketing or any online business, right? So really think about that. Like, take it serious. And I'm assuming that you found a network marketing company, that you really believe in, right? I'm assuming that. I'm assuming it's a company where you believe in the company, the products and all that. If you really have that and you really want to jump in, you got to take it serious. Make it a point to work on your business every day. Set time aside every day to work on your network marketing company. All right. So that's my advice to anyone who's new to network marketing. And I will see you in day 5 of the YouTube challenge. All right. Peace.